In this video, we're going to calculate the area of a parallelogram. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the area of the parallelogram? And here's the parallelogram, and the base is 8 meters, and the height is 6 meters. So remember what the area of a parallelogram is, and if you look at the description down below, you'll see links to other videos of mine that review why the area is the way it is for a parallelogram, so you might want to check that out. Okay, but the area calculation for a parallelogram is the base times the height. So we know the base is 8 meters and the height is 6 meters for this particular parallelogram. So now the second step now is to put these numbers into the formula. So area equals base times height. So it equals 8 times 6, which equals to 48. Now don't forget step 3, remember the units. The lengths are measured in meters, so the area is measured in square meters. So the units are square meters, and the area is 48 square meters. And that's the end of this problem. And don't worry if you don't get it right away, just rewatch the video. And like I said, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that explain this a little bit more. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson, and you could watch the video from the ebook. If you click on the link in the ebook, it'll take you to this video. So you could watch the video as you review this lesson in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.